Just by being here tonight, all of you are supporting the work of the foundation in the community, and we really thank you for that. We are able to do things because of you. It's not us, it's you working in the community through us. So we thank you for that. Please join me in welcoming Cameron Kent.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you very much, and welcome to the biggest party all year in Davie County. We're so glad you're here. First of all, I want to give a big hand to Jane Simpson for so much work all year long on behalf of the foundation for putting this together. You have no idea. Today, she built that tool shed that you see when you walk in. She was shucking oysters backstage just a minute ago. I understand that she is ready to retrofit this barn into an ark. So if it keeps raining, we're all covered. So not to worry. A big hand for Jane Simpson. That is fantastic. You've done a great job doing all of this. Well, we hope you have fun tonight. Jane called me a couple of weeks ago and said we can't find anybody good to be our MC. Do you think you can do it? So I'm glad I'm here. I hope you are too. And we're here to get you to open up your wallets. And don't forget, as you think about opening up your wallets, paying cash, checks, credit cards, the president wants us to spend money to stimulate the economy. So you're not just helping the foundation, you're helping America. So just remember that as the night goes on. All right, once again, a reminder, silent auction items downstairs. There are all kinds of things. There are housewares, there are clocks, special packages, some getaway packages, a weekend at a cabin. There are jewelry packages, lots of wonderful artwork, lots of great sporting events, and everything is sort of categorized in a different room. And once again, those rooms close at different times. So that gives you an opportunity to bid on something in more than one room. And just pay attention to that. Go back and check and make sure you are still the high bidder. Also want to give you an opportunity to walk over here to this corner, over here to my right, because there are live auction items over there. So take a look at those before we begin the live auction a little later on in the evening, and so you'll know exactly what you're bidding on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get the party going just a little bit louder. I did get an explanation. The guy who drives the van for the band said they were running late because he stopped to get some gas down on 801, and the little sign on the self-serve pump said pay in advance. So by the time he got all the way there and back, put him about 15 minutes behind schedule. We're glad you're here. Tell you a little bit about our star feature performer tonight, Craig Willard, born in Durham, North Carolina, raised in Washington, North Carolina, attended Duke University. He has got quite the resume. Listen to who he's played with: Percy Sledge, the Four Tops, the Temptations, the Blues Brothers, Frankie Valli, just to name a few. He is also a winner of the Entertainer of the Year, Male Vocalist of the Year, Collaboration of the Year, Song of the Year, and Group of the Year. He also does an awful lot for charity and events like this, so we are really glad to have him from Cary, North Carolina. Put your hands together for the Craig Willard Band.
Oh yeah!
Well, tonight is kind of a celebration of community in Davie County, but it's also a fundraising event for the foundation, which supports the community. So it's kind of people coming together to do good things for people in the county.
You know, we had our fingers crossed with this event, moving from Sound of Summers from Childers. It's always uncertainty to know exactly what's going to happen, but we have, it's been fantastic. We sold out of tickets. We sold 525 tickets plus our sponsorships, which there's probably over 600 people here. It's well above our expectations, and people have been gracious to come out. But this is more than a fundraiser. This is a social event for Davie County, to people to meet people that they need to know, and it just makes everything mesh. It's just a great event.
The Sounds of the Summer to me is just the culmination of a whole year's work for our community foundation to grow Davie County and our friends to one event, to have fun, to enjoy each other, to socialize. And also it is a fundraiser to benefit our foundation and raise funds to continue our work.
This is a wonderful night for the Community Foundation. It is indeed a fundraiser for their many things that they support, many charities throughout our Davie County community, but it's also a wonderful gathering of people that can come together as part of a community, can enjoy that company, that camaraderie, and then can all work for one cause, and that's for the people in Davie County.
It's really the highlight of the year for certainly those of us that care about the foundation and its work. It's especially good tonight in that we've got it on home soil. Didn't have a good place to have it before, a place that would hold this kind of crowd. And when the Widmont Farm came available, we were very interested in looking at it. But it's just a culmination of events, end of the year activity. It's a way for the community to come together for a cause of raising money to really do good things in our community.
Your love is amazing. Your love for me, baby, sure is amazing. Sure is amazing. Everywhere that I chance to go, don't you know now, babe, I'm loving you so. If you leave me, girl, if you leave me, I will surely die. Oh yeah, watch it
We had a brainstorming session with our board meeting 7 years ago and decided that we wanted to do something to bring people together to hear a little bit about the foundation. And we decided Childress would work as a place to do that And we had a goal of maybe 250 people. And the first year we had 450. And so it just became a wonderful community party. And we've continued it ever since. We did think after the beginning planning that if we're going to do all this work, we should raise money too. So that's when we started really doing the auctions and things like that.
Lots of options for the silent auction here, different rooms that you can go in. They have them arranged by categories, whether it's something with sports or children or family or fishing or whatever it is that for every interest that's involved. They have it here, and you certainly want to take advantage of that and look around. And again, it's all going towards a good cause.
My expectations for tonight are that lots of people have the chance to network and spend time together, but also to know that there is a community foundation in Davie. And hopefully, if they will look at the slideshow and look at the program, they will learn a little bit about what the foundation does, and we're hoping that piques their interest enough that they want to learn more.
The most important part of getting an event like this going are the folks that put this together, the community foundation, folks like James Simpson and all of that. It's just a lot of hard work. We farm out, we have a lot of committees and a lot of volunteers, a lot of people helping. But bottom line, the success of this event comes from our community. It comes from the folks who support us, who come out not only to have a good time, but to understand and to bond with our foundation and create a better Davie County by investing in Davie County's future.
Jane Simpson had approached us about a sponsorship, and 2 years ago we decided to do that. And again, we're just very thankful that we have this opportunity to be able to assist in sponsoring children in the school system here in Davie County.
If I had a book, and the name of this book was Who's Who of Davie County, you'd find them here tonight. Not just people that are in the public life, but we've got many company presidents. We've got people that are involved in our school system. We've got our own community college president, who just happens to be the North Carolina Community College President of the Year. A lot of opportunities for people to meet and greet and expand their circle of influence with people that are key in this community in Davie County.
It gives him a chance, frankly, to network. It's similar to a chamber event in a way. We have a lot of Chamber of Commerce people here, members here, but it gives him a chance to certainly network within the community, to people that have like interests as he does. Again, the ultimate goal is to hopefully do things for the community, but it brings together the people in a social atmosphere where they can, again, network, have similar interests, do some fun kinds of things, some recreational kinds of things.
This is a great opportunity, again, with people within our county to enjoy being together. They're coming from all different venues. I've personally enjoyed the fact that I've been able to have little mini reunions with a lot of former students that I've had. I've been in the system long enough that they're now the adults and they're part of the community, and that's extremely rewarding for me. But there are other parts of this, the business people, the educators, those people that are interested, still bottom line, they're interested in our county and our children and the welfare and what they can do to promote that. So it's been a great way to have those connections, have those conversations, and learn about people.
Well, this is an event that touches a lot of folks in Davie County, and Yadtail's just delighted to be a part of this and to be able to raise money to provide scholarships for the Davie County children of the school system here.
We have funds that benefit, that folks have given to set up scholarships to benefit school children, college students, all types of areas of study and academics. We have funds that are designed to assist our schools. We have funds that are designed to assist our YMCA, churches, cemeteries, just about anything that somebody wants to help fund, start, carry on, continue a benefit for the public. We have the vehicle for folks to contribute to the county and see that that's done.
What kind of mood do you think I am? When forever it's gonna stay, 'cause I love beach music every single day of my life. I love beach music, you know that I do. Tonight, that I love beach music, yes I do. I hope you feel the same way too. I love beach music, yes sir. I love beach music, hey.
I have seen firsthand and experienced what this foundation has done. It's a rotating board of people that come together and really inspire other people to give back where they've been blessed in their own life.
The various things that get donated by community business turn up in